Here we are on the east side of the Temple Mount, and behind me are the cupolas and the blocked up eastern gate. This is the gate that faces the Kidron Valley and the Garden of Gethsemane, where we were a moment ago, and the Mount of Olives. This is the place where Jesus would have entered the holy city riding on Palm Sunday on a donkey. And everyone was singing, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest, right through this gate here. Well, when the Muslims took over this territory about the 6th century until the end of World War II, except for a few interludes of the Crusaders, they decided to try to block the Messiah from returning. They put a cemetery outside, a Muslim cemetery, right in front of the gate and blocked up the gate right here so that the Messiah could not return, because they didn't believe that he was the Son of God, but just a prophet. So nowadays, we look at the gate and realize that this is the exact place where Jesus entered